friends, TUXX here. You know, especially this time of year around the holidays, I love to show off gift ideas, okay? And this is something which I strongly recommend you have and you give as a gift to people. This is something which we use in our own home, and if you go back in my queue of videos, you'll see it to be true. I love high-powered flashlights, okay? It's very important to be able to protect yourself, protect your home in the case of power failure, civil unrest, or whatever have you, okay? So that's where this comes in. This comes from Amazon. I will have a link for you actually right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. So it comes in a OEM box, as you can see here. There's a barcode, but again, I will have a link for you right below. Let's go ahead and pop this open, and inside here you're gonna find something really amazing. This is something which is almost giftable. This is something where you could give this as a gift together as a set, or if you wanted to, you could almost like keep one for yourself and give one as a gift to someone you love. You know, this is small enough, it could easily fit in the car. You can have it around the house. This is something which is very important, you know, to have at times of need. You don't want to be like scrambling around looking for some old school flashlight that doesn't light up very bright at all, you know. So this is how it comes. Looks, has a very tech look, kind of like a, you know, military or police look to it. It is USB-C. So right here you can see we have the USB-C connector to a USB-A connector, or just regular USB. So it's really easy to charge. You can already use a lot of cords you have, you know, for USB-C. I'm sure you have a bunch of them, and you can plug it into a bunch of things you already have, like power strips and computers and everything else that takes USB-A, or just regular USB, if you will. Now, charging is really a snap too, because you can easily charge it, you know, with the cord. So it makes it where it's a situation where it's easy to charge. You're not going to be scrambling around for batteries and stuff all the time. We're going to hit the button here and check out. It actually, whoa, that is bright, guys. Now, out of the box, these don't always have power, but we're going to go ahead and give this a try anyway. We'll show you right here is a USB-C under that one. That's where you'd plug in your USB cord. Okay, very simple. In fact, I'll show you real quick to see. Make sure you got it, guys. Okay, so we pop that in. You can see it's very easy to plug in, and here's where you plug this in to charge, okay? But we're going to take that off for now. And what I want to do is I want to hit the power button. This other, and this, I should mention, this is like a rubbery little button cover, so you can pop it in place and to help keep water out of there too. I don't believe these are full waterproof, but they're definitely water resistant, okay? You can check the link below to get full tech specs on that. But we're gonna go ahead and hit power here and see if this has any power right from the factory. And oh my God, whoa, I seriously blinded myself there. That is bright, guys. Look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful bright beam. This would definitely go a long way to help protect your home. And I'll tell you something. Here's a quick story, guys. Back a couple days ago, we have chicks, like backyard chickens, you know, and we heard all this commotion outside, and we were like, oh my God, what's going on outside? Is it like a homeless person or what's going on? So we go out there, and we didn't see anything in the chicken coop, like around the chicken coop or whatever. And when we got to the chicken coop, we looked inside, and there was a huge, huge possum. And here's a photo. Look at this beast. That thing is huge, crazy, guys. And we use these flashlights to identify what the heck was going on, you know. And you don't want to stick your hand in a chicken coop and have that big old possum mouth full of sharp teeth biting at you, you know. So it's really important to have these type of flashlights. It really can go a long way. Now, if we hit the button here, there are some additional lighting options. We'll show you here. We're going to hit the button once, and that kind of turns it off. Okay, so you can see right here we do have the four indicators of the power level, okay? And then from here, you hit it again. It has like a strobe light action. Check that out. That could be really good in case like maybe you're in the car and it breaks down in the dark. This would help alert other people that there's an emergency or a problem, you know. So very cool. And it could also potentially help, you know, disable criminals. Someone's breaking your house, you flash this in their eyes. It might give you that extra second or two to protect yourself. So it could theoretically save your life, guys. We're going to hit this again here. It goes off. Now, I believe there's another mode here. Check it out. This has a little light here on the side too. Very cool. We're going to hit this again and check it out. It has kind of an emergency, a red and blue, kind of a police thing, which I would recommend putting this in your dash in Florida. I think the different states may have laws about like impersonating police, but it's really cool it has that. Most of them do not have this function, and I welcome this function. This is great. If you're having a problem or emergency or whatever, that could be perfect for at night to identify if something is wrong and the police could come and help you, you know. So you want to make sure you're protecting yourself. And the best news about this, guys, not only do you get one, you get two. Check it out. You get two of these bad boys. So very cool, guys. Something that could definitely help you out. Let's go ahead and check this out in the dark. I'm going to dim the lights here. Look at that beautiful blue and red. That looks awesome, guys. Like if you had an emergency, this could go a long way to alerting the authorities that you need help, you know, or heck, even just walking around or something. If you're going to get mugged or something, this could go a long way to helping identify there's a problem. And we're going to take the other one here and check it out. Check out how bright that is. That is a beautiful, beautiful bright light that could definitely help identify possums in the chicken coop or whatever problems you may have. So very cool stuff, guys. I love the fact you get two of these bad boys to help protect you. You can put one in each car. You can give one to a loved one. You can have one for work, one for home. Like, there's so many good uses for these. And I like the way they're actually really, they're lightweight too. It's definitely something which is comfortable to hold. It's something that you can carry. It's not going to weight you down or whatever. Loving the strobe action. Check that out. Oh my gosh. That could totally disorient me if I'm like walking into a dark room and someone shines at my eyes. That could really give me a second or two of hesitation where a homeowner, you know, or someone could protect themselves. So you want that as someone who owns this to be able to protect your stuff by being able to help disable potential criminals, you know. So anyway, very cool stuff. Absolutely loving the strobe action here. Check out how bright that is. Oh my gosh, that could totally, you know, disable a criminal just for a few moments at least. That'd give you time to go ahead and protect yourself, get away, or, you know, arm yourself. Like they say, you know, in a case of like, you know, some kind of civil unrest or, you know, some kind of like, you know, shooter, they basically say, you know, hide or, you know, hide, run, or fight, you know, and this might give you that option, just that second or two you need to really protect yourself. But look how bright that is. That is absolutely amazing, guys. Whoa, that is insanely bright, guys. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. I mean, if you're having a home invasion or something, I could totally see how that strobe light action there could help make a criminal hesitate just for a second or two, enough time for you to go ahead and, you know, flee the scene or defend yourself or whatever you need to do. That is mind-numbingly bright. Oh my God. That is super bright, and I'm expecting it. So if someone's in the dark and they're not expecting that, that could totally go a long way to disabling them. And again, I love the way these flashlights are not entirely they're not super heavy. They're light enough. They're very firm, very stable, very good quality, but they're light. You could easily pack these. It's not going to weigh you down. You could put it in a backpack. You could carry it for a long time. You know, if you're a senior or someone who is worried about carrying heavy things, like this is not that heavy, guys. This is definitely going to help you. It's going to help protect you, and it's going to help make everything in the backyard, no matter if it's a criminal, homeless guy, or maybe it's a big possum or coon kind of trying to get your chicks, you know. This is the type of thing that could actually help you protect you and your loved ones, okay? To recap, this is a great little flashlight setup. You get not just one, but you get two amazing flashlights with great features like bright LEDs, flashing strobe action that could disable a criminal temporarily, at least make them hesitate, give you a chance to run to safety. Loving the blue and red flashing here. It's so great, guys. These are awesome little flashlights, and the fact that you get two of them for a low price is really great. In fact, I'm going to have the best price for you again right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours, okay? All right, guys, if you have any question about these flashlights, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? And I hope you guys have a great one, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it, okay? All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.